Hey guys, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I've got a really cool 1973 Chevrolet Camaro for you. This is a Restomod. It's got a 350 underneath the hood, ice cold AC, long tube headers, dual exhaust, and the motor is actually pretty stout in this car. You've also got some really nice carbon fiber style Z28 stripes that look really good. This car is done in what I call a Krypton green, kind of similar to the green that comes on the 6th gen Camaros. And you've got a brand new set of torque thrust style wheels on here that look really, really nice. Disc brakes up front, custom interior, but we're gonna jump into this full review on this car right now. As we start up front here, as you can see immediately, you've got black headlight housings with some LED headlights here. You've got the split bumper Z28 front end, which is really nice. You've got the blacked out bumpers that just give it a really sporty and Restomod look. Overall, a really, really nice looking car. Also, the front of the nose of the car is in great condition. I'm not seeing any major imperfections here. Your gaps here around your hood are in excellent condition. You do have, it looks to be about a 3-inch cowl hood on this car to give it a really aggressive muscle car look. All your trim here has been blacked out as well. Your gaps here along your door, nice and even all the way down. You've got a set of Z28 badges here that look really, really nice. Let's go ahead and turn the lift around so we can see the side of the car here. Your mirrors are also paint matched on the car as well that look really good. The glass looks brand new on this car. As I look down the side of the door is in excellent condition. The body line's nice and crisp all the way down and lines up excellent with the fender. As we look at the roof of the car, it's in excellent condition. It looks really, really nice. I'm not seeing any paint flaws. Very nice paint on this Z28 Camaro. Definitely a car that you can take to a cruise in or a car show and be very proud to show it. As we look at the rear quarter here, the rear quarter is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any cracking or weird imperfections here. Paint's really beautiful and great condition. Once again, all your trim here around the back glass is in excellent condition. Your glass is tinted. I would say it's about a 35 to 25% tint. Out back here, we've got that same style, torque thrust style wheel. You do have drum brakes in the back on this car, but overall, very, very, very clean car, very nice. Definitely has a really cool look to it. We'll go ahead and turn the car around here. Even your marker light is brand new on this car. As we get to the rear of the car, you do have that Z28 spoiler on the back here, and as you can see, those carbon fiber stripes carry out through the trunk lid here. You do have the matte black rear bumper and the blacked out tail housings here for the tail lights that look really nice. Man, guys, what a fantastic car. This thing is just absolutely beautiful. And this thing drives even better than it looks, in my opinion. Just a awesome, awesome car. You cannot go wrong with these Z28 split bumper Camaros. They are definitely increasing in value over the years, and I definitely see them continuing to climb, but overall, a beautiful car. One of my favorites in the showroom. But guys, let's wrap this up. Let's move to the engine bay so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful engine bay. I mean, even the bottom side of the hood is all painted really nice. So like I said earlier, this is a 350 cubic inch small block Chevy. It's got aluminum heads. It's got a nice healthy cam in it. You got the Elderbrock aluminum intake on this car. You also have a quick fuel carburetor that is brand new. You can definitely tell that this is a very fresh build, and somebody's put a bunch of money in it. You've got an upgraded distributor back there as well, vintage AC, painted tubs. You've got a nice aluminum radiator with electric fan, and you've got power disc brakes as well on this car. Overall, a very nice engine in this engine bay. And then, like I said earlier, this is definitely an engine that you would love to show off at a cruise in or car show. But with that being said, guys, let's work our way to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful interior on the 73 Camaro. The first thing that's gonna stand out when you look at this interior is you're gonna see the green stitching here and the custom like suede-like material here on the door panels, which are really nice. Factory style, but just with a twist of like modern touches here with like the green stitching and that nice like suede-like material. I wouldn't say it's suede, but something very similar to that. Your dash is in excellent condition. There's no cracking. It's not folding up or doing anything weird. It's really nice. You've got a really nice set of upgraded gauges in the car as well. You've got your vintage AC controller over here on the left-hand side. You've got that classic Z28 steering wheel that looks awesome. You've got an awesome set of Z28 floor mats in here, and the carpet is brand new. It looks beautiful, nicer than the carpet that's in my 2024 Ram. As you look at the seats, once again, you've got that material that's on the door panels is also over here in the center section of the seat. You got leather on the outside with green stitching, and that also follows for the rear seats as well. Your headliner's in excellent condition. You also got LED lighting there in the dome light that's really nice. And if Justin can pan back there in the back, you'll see that this car also has a killer stereo system in it. You've got 4 6x9s back there in the rear deck lid that will give you awesome sound quality when you're listening to that Led Zeppelin or AC/DC when you're out cruising in this bad to the bone Z28 Camaro. You've got a Kenwood head unit in the car as well. You've got an automatic transmission for this car. I believe it's a 700 R4, but overall a bad to the bone interior that really looks nice. But guys, let's get to my favorite part and let's go take this bad boy for a drive. All right guys, we're out cruising in the 73 Camaro and this thing drives fantastic. You got ice cold AC, you got a killer stereo system, you've got 4 6x9s in the back with an amp, and it sounds fantastic. The brakes feel great on this car. The steering's nice. This thing tracks straight down the road like it should. All your gauges are working like they should as well. Overall, a very comfortable ride. These seats are very, very comfortable. You could definitely take a road trip in these and be just fine. The 350 under the hood with those aluminum heads and the big cam, it definitely makes this thing run really nicely. The 700 R4 is a nice addition to this car as well, so it gives you 4 gears with overdrive, but this thing's got some power. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that now. Definitely gets down, guys, way faster than a stock 73, and with this upgraded suspension, as you can see, we can definitely handle these turns. Man, what a fun car, guys. This is an awesome car. We just got up to 80 miles an hour there, and this thing's tracking straight down the road. Feels fantastic under speed. Transmission shifts like it should. What a great car, guys. But let's go ahead and get back to the shop so I can show you the bottom side of this car. All right, guys, we got the 73 Camaro back here at the dealership and up on the lift. That was an exciting test drive. This thing drives even better than it looks. But let's start up front here. I always like to check out the front frame here to make sure there's no imperfections or any signs of it being in a front-end collision. This one looks nice and straight. Don't see any signs of that. Got a nice aluminum radiator here with an electric fan, fixed sway bar bushings. You can tell all the radiator hoses and everything are brand new on the car as well. You can definitely tell that this thing was freshly done. All your steering components up front here look to be in really good condition and brand new. You can tell your tie rod in here has a upgraded link there, which is nice. Your control arms are in great condition. You've got an upgraded set of lowering springs and shocks in the front, which really make this car handle really nicely. Your front subframe is in excellent condition as well. The bottom of the oil pan's nice and dry. You've got some shorty headers here that go back to dual exhaust to an H pipe. You've got a 700 R4 transmission, which is really nice as well. Subframe connectors. You've got some polyurethane bushings here for the body mounts, which is nice. Keep everything nice and tight. You do have some MagnaFlow mufflers too, which really sound good on this car with that beefed up 350. Nice drive shaft here. It's in really good condition. As we work our way out back, you do have a nice sway bar in the rear as well. You've got a Lindsay's built 10-bolt rear end with a trick flow rear girdle on here to keep everything nice and tight to make sure that this rear end's gonna last with that beefed up 350. But overall, very nice underneath here. The exhaust looks really clean. It's an all stainless exhaust, which is really, really nice. If you guys are interested in this car, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can also go to our website at collectiblemotor.com, click on inventory, scroll down until you see this beautiful Camaro. You can check out all the pictures that we have on this car in a detailed description. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video and we'll catch you on the next one.